One man complained that his life is too hard for him. One day he met God and started telling him all the details of his troubles, of his life struggle, that he don't have any money, that his family is not supporting, etc., etc., etc. Patiently, God was listening to all his details. The man asked God, "Can I change my cross?" God said, smiling, "Why not?" So God took him to the nearest store of crosses and said, "Choose." The man came in the store and he was surprised. He was surprised to see so many options of the cross that was lying in front of him. They were little, big, medium, high, of different varieties or different color. The man was very happy and started walking by the store for the long time just to find one perfect cross for himself. Finally, after hours, he found his perfect cross. Light, medium, and easy to wear. The man asked the God, "Can I take this one?" The God smiled at the man and said, "Of course, why not? It's your own cross." Understand the meaning? I hope you do. You got to understand one thing. Instead of complaining that the rose bush is full of thorns, be happy that the thorn bushes has rose. Hey guys, my name is Vaibhav Nigam. I'm the motivational speaker and the author, and I hope that you are liking my videos. If you do, then give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos in the coming future. And if you have any questions for me, follow me on the Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, and I will surely answer you back. Just DM me and we will interact. So today's video is all about letting you know that how you should stop complaining and start living your life with positivity. So here are 5 points which will help you out in becoming a better person. Do watch this video till the end so that you understand everything. So without any further ado, let's get started with the pointers. Number 1, change the way you think. See, the problem with us is that we always have an attraction towards the thing that we don't have right now. And because of that attraction, we tend to forget that the things that we have right now. So you got to be attentive. So if you have the house in which you are living comfortably, if you have the smartphone in which you are watching this video right now, you should feel gratitude. Yeah, I totally understand that there are mansions and there are very expensive phones that you probably don't have right now, that you don't own it right now. But in the future, you can. But dwelling upon the fact that you don't own that thing right now, and this negativity will revolve around your mind 24/7. So you got to stop the negativity by thinking in a positive way. So you got to change your way of thinking right here, right now. Number 2, train yourself to be less judgmental. You got to be stop critical towards the situation, towards the people, towards the scenario. Before criticizing the situation, before judging the people, you got to understand the scenario that you have probably never faced. Put yourself in their shoes. Then the story might be a little different. The problem is we start to judge things without even knowing the exact figures and facts. We hardly know the entire story, and just by looking at the small context of the situation, we summarize something out of it which I'm sure is very negative. So you got to be less judgmental and stop criticizing the situation and the people and start living your life with positivity. See, every coin has two sides. Every situation has two sides, positive and negative. There's a glass which is half full. For some, it is half full. For some, it is half empty. It totally depends upon you, how you're thinking right now. So stop being judgmental straight away. Number 3, make a list of things that you are grateful for. See, I recommend this exercise for every person out there. Every day, wake up in the morning and write down 5 of the things that you are grateful for. It can be your house, it can be your parents, it can be your friends, it can be anything, any small thing. Every day, make a list of 5 things that you are grateful for. And because of that, you will analyze these things which I just jotted down right now mean so much to me. Same thing you can do at the night. When you come back from the college, from your school, from your job, just write down the 5 things that you are grateful for which you experienced today. And that will help you becoming a better person. Because with the gratitude, you are getting all the positive energy. When you are entering in a positive zone, the negativity will automatically be removed from your life. So do this exercise by writing down the 5 things that you are grateful for in the morning as well as in the night. Number 4, accept responsibility. If something is bothering you right now, either change the situation, or if you cannot change the situation, then why complain? If some situation, some person is bothering you, either fix that situation, talk to that person. But if nothing can be done from that situation, from that person, then why complain? Because you already know the answer, nothing can be done. Because complaining is a passive activity. Change the complaining into taking actions to solve the problem. Because when you are solving the problem, you are looking at the positive outcome, the solution. And this can lead your life to a betterment for you, as well as to your family, as well as to your society, as well as to your surrounding. So accept the responsibility and do it straight away. Last but not the least, the last point is choose happiness. Stress and busy lifestyles often take our lives and break down anyone's positive spirit. Take time out for your own life, for just you, the me time, because this will help you in becoming a better person, and you can start knowing yourself better. Because in the me time, you will realize what the things that you love to do. Choose happiness towards focusing on positivity. Choose your me time in a better way, in knowing yourself that what are the things that I love to do and I want to do it for myself. Not for the family, not for the society, just for me, myself. Because it's your choice, it's your life, and no one else's. I hope that these 5 pointers will help you out in becoming a better person and will block the negativity around your life. So if you like this video, do give me a big thumbs up. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. This is Vaibhav Nigam, and I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Cheers. Bye bye.